nyasaye egere nalitura ababa ngaini na nalitura abanekise na ende gotebanga chirisi nchiroro tubende gosomiwa na abayibuli abali bali twarigene tigoro beri tangani tokaramu na abayibuli bakaba number 1 abali mu school baba number 2 abenkanisa no bali gochise amonisa tutubwata abali mu abangi umwalimu w'ekanisa wa contribute spiritually n'oyo w'eschool contribute academically omuyibuli bononka eregale all round nabwene tukumanya ng'omwana wawe n'amaye tukusaba n'amaye tukumanya ng'omwana wawe n'abwata nonyeke bungo kindi igonga nere mambo yote nero bwate mbili emenene ona ayo uchonya kwiboli ng'omonene kayigose nawirite nandanya nawete nkibwene takokorase bono iga ona abali bali beri tangani egento bakwegeri omwana babende kumwire ntokuruka nka self control yani omwana omanyete kwegambira tali omwana okugambira omuyibuli abayibuli abangi obakugambira n'abaana yani omwana keriya gusaba nonye tubwate kwikogene duka okabese yani mono abangina they don't know how to control their children yani uweta no mwana ekiro akorora itoke libariri ogateba natakai akorora gose egento kire bakoroka gose lollipop egento kire kukinia boteka bireye omwana nakiasa beteka akore biscuit nane nayo ugasiti unachua mimi sina pesa wacha nione yani egeri omwana self control omwana mati muna kitwara gerete mambya ina betika liteko bayona amati toranyo tokanya naende lunch omwana oli well disciplined. Number 2 omwana wao ayeli kwento kwa patience. Patience ni uvumilivu oseno kolemeraliga. Omwana kama itenga when you don't have you don't have. Ekero tabwati gotokore tikito bwati. Inyone ekero na lengo mwisike kalia my mother bigale ko ngachibesa na mogachira. Kwambuka ngachire chibese chingatire. Ono nchikulige gakitimbu atitira bagati tigante mama angolire tira batimbu atitira batimbu asibese ngoro chakesha ni yani nkumi ngomubori ngatirire ngugachirete ane nengere ngo ukomotebi ngo bokesha ngo baraboreki ngo era bure ono wikotu aresere control abana banyasa no wole mbere nganye tubwati tebi umwana timbwati sata time I will get umwana umanya mwana da ukwarusa baka yani abande bengentira like now choose ebintu bitwa so mete family life about the igora yeme tandao umwana nale twatindeka choose sana choose f4 abate tesi bikorumandi baka marago bangina usenga yachete ogojigo takanyona chombe no chire weli achingo kasiani no chiaro kumuli nga kitom chwadi yani zingwa chete kokole kineke gaki honestly ntaisi nyeyo akamule simi 545 ona ganga yo mano ya endera lelele na basacha na bakungu ihoke lyogo umwana nabera nyarekane kaji gutwara oburemereria na ndo umwana twara oisaneka amanye ngasi ekiriga yaisanire mwana to moyuri korageri haro okorageri umwana enderess umwana nali echabati kono nyomba una mwanka igo tari karansa no wani listen discussion tera chaka nando batende ni batire chapo ono ntebo no yani umwana yo negira toniale train umwana ne endagire yanye nanye bogori chizo koli chisenye nalingo koira sikotu tukuriera nande siko umwana abe disciplined tobate ento koroka gentleness love tolerance and forbearance. All those are the things so when to go train abana baitu kali mwalimu ndo kuchikoto someli mana mwemuna ningo umwalimu mutanga ni ningo ni sisi igoto ubasa ko umwalimu mwana o expect umwalimu atiko kubekera umwana buya mwalimu taho kubekera mwana buya korante nayo gochikwebekera umwana boronge o train umwana kali mangana na ndata ko in the education of youth shapes their characters both in their secular and religious life. Ogi mabwabo boli bweri tangani. Na baba go train omwana ke mwana wanto naende a train we aso Kristo na bwele to biyo. And that's why ekero mwana tabe kiribuya lero ni mwana msiri ni kwande university igawo tukogenda kwanyora umwana osarekire kwanyora umwana netitasi achetororo ayuka gitenda no umwana okorete ubwate ngona ye train buya umanyenga ekero ogo chaki umwana korunse arachi kogenda nachi gwitenenera karima chininga alibo tikwane gutigenya roke yogosomo muroyo abange nonya nabageni kubata mwana kwa mwene egasi kayere esuguri mugango eseka kanya kweruga what do you mean pocket mana nera kwa bonyaruka bungarugabu toragene bone husband to the many wives bakorosindaga mwana goikomanya kukwaira mwana naende motarere omanya omwana oyo naro trainer ba child egeri omwana enjera bwenete kogenda kali lero pati trout obogima bwense n'obogima bukarararia n'obogima bukali gocha so amangana namanya duwenete kumanya naende egeri twegeri abana baita about temperance kiningi ekerengo kanibagaki twegeri abana ekerengo none style abana bakoragira nyumba ke abana bukubeko bukima mundu akaro mwana akoragira tafadhali na wasi akaro mwana akoragira table manners. Give the child table manners when the child is eating. Yani mtoto hawezi kula akifungua mdomo ameweka ugali wote mdomoni ameshindwa kujiu ono kiki omukungu yo ntabike ibona ayurote akibutari ubusoku ono liyaba gani barona likote bika moke nene yani liyaba gani barona alikuwa amanya mwana wanabwenda teko bika moke igeli umwana munabwenda kumume komo ekero kumume komo means you are that okobeka boards tipot chike yagera kwamanya okora munoroche. Then we have to comprehend the practice of gentleness, brotherhood, and kindness, and the love to God and to one another. Those are the attributes of our Anabaito to go to one. They are one that matter than Yanjete, Nagan Hogere. Okay, Kagaran Kagolebu Kuyeki, you see, Granati the Hogere. And Anabagara was on a Kagarekio, and take a Kagoleki, you see, or Mavakana Comonia Conism. No needed mwana gitega igabana manya sana mwana nara orase kuna mtoto hapa ambako katika kitabu cha Kings Wafalme wa pili 5:2-3 hapo tena tutaiendeleza tukiendelea. Hapo ndio utasoma ujue na nini kiliendelea. You should know that Adventist schools is a home of God. Adventist schools is a home of God and it is the gate to heaven. When you take your children to an Adventist school, you are taking them to where Jesus lives, to where God stays. So therefore it is a very good place. Well, unlike when you are taking your children to other schools, regardless that school, those schools they do well or they do even better. So therefore, every Adventist school is a house of God and a gate of heaven. So, which school have you taken your children? Which school? Wacha niwaambie kuna kitu kimenishangaza hapa leo asubuhi. Yaani gharama nyanga bakato babo train abana babo ayamuno mwibuli utafanya kitu gani? Kunalo tunaposoma katika kitabu kile cha 2 Kings 5:2-3 inasema nini? Inazungumzia juu ya msichana mmoja nameless girl. Omwese kolege trained kurusomo esegi ya veira obere taken to captivity. Otiro veira se nyomba ya Nahaman. Omwese koyo digaborora sengenjo yekisegi. There is a time obwene kumanya what to do. Wewe kama mwanafunzi wa Mungu, kama wafuasi wa Yesu Kristo, ujue vile utaweza kujitetea. Tima ndinga Mungu anikiukwa ntega anotebe ngana kiuru mu Adventist ngana Nekiura nyariko bakogokwana ngaido mu Adventist. So this slave girl, far from her home, was one of God's witness. You know, we are talking about the witnessing and consciously fulfilling the purpose of which God had chosen Israel as his people. Can you imagine from Matthew 28, verse 19 to 20? Genda moboro kereri na kubabatiza serita ya tata neli omwana neli omwiko omoche. Yani mokore ibase chisinyo cyose cyese. Na hiyo kitu ekero kyabere mwanyinya sama nyete ngango tukobenda tuwalenge sengima. So in this case huyu msichana alifundishwa na wazazi wake. Msichana then hatukuambiwa miaka yake, hatukuambiwa alikuwa Mwadventist, hatukuambiwa alipata ubatizo, lakini alipofika katika nyumba ya Naamani pale na Naamani ameshikwa na ugonjwa, sasa msichana ndiye anajitokeza. Sababu jana tuliongea juu ya development of physical, mental, spiritually and socially. Tuliongea haya mambo lazima mtoto aweze kuwa nayo hata sisi. In one time we can say that Naaman was not a humble person. Naaman was not humble. Naaman was a very hostile man in that place. And he was worshiping the idols. So he was a idol worshiper. Imagine that guy now in Naaman's house, they are worshiping the idols. But the guy was not converted to that. When you're almost go, Momro, Onyumana one yanginere yakorwa, Igachusi, Omurarengo, Mo Christo, Momrom, Yasana, Kanyomo, Mwisiko, Mo Catholic, or no, nameless. Tabuatirieta, Aba, you go back again to cake. Elieta. Naaman yo wene ustara wena. Tunaona Naaman akifanya nini? Akipona. So, ekera wakati watu wanaenda vita, ni mtu mmoja tu anatekwa nyara. Eti hivi wana mubele tasete. Ndoje ngabante bali serious ili somewhere. Usini TV kabekire. You want to tell me wakati wa vita ni mtu mmoja tu anatekwa nyara tafadhali? Sini wengi, wazee, akina mama, watoto kama huyu msichana, wakatekwa nyara wengi sana. Now, maandiko matakatifu yanauliza ya kwamba where were other captives or prisoners? Where were they? Nacho wengine, they were very bitter about the being taken to captivity. Wengine walikuwa wanalia hapo, mtu analia, They refused to be witness or to witness in a foreign land. Walikataa kama vile tunasoma katika kitabu cha Zaburi 137 verse 4. Atusomi unaenda kusomea because I'm rushing down with time. So here they were saying, how can we sing the song of the Lord while in a foreign land? But we can see this girl is going to do a marvelous thing at Naaman's house. Naaman is worshiping idols, but the girl is just permanently worshiping God of heaven. The nameless girl was never shy. Wesike baitumba nega abantu banyasa. No mutenga gendo bere siaba gende bekambi. Ya tiara bero amurali sibutuku kyagera butuku nege sunte. Ona bagani ko barota kunyara kuragiri abagenda. Hata juwesa. Machi ni nayo ukinde lyo mumurageti. Bamuramba cyandegeti. Abamurra wanaangalia sura. Baligeliye tukimele smart. Baligeliye nyenye. Baligeliye timbo. Mama keramu ikirialia. Tari korosia gachai. Yani agachai kabera na kubi kunsi inda yachaka koro kogendi chipigipigi. Ngaigono egefensi kiarosia. We have to train our children on how to do things. So this girl was never shy. She had an opportunity to witness for God. She was out for mission. Wakati wazazi wake walikuwa wanamfundisha the fundamentals of God's church, they didn't know that this girl was to witness outside her home. She became very powerful, a powerful witness to Naaman. And imagine Naaman was not a very what? A very, yani hakuwa mtu ovyo hivi. Si alikuwa mtu mkubwa sana. alikuwa mtu mkubwa, alikuwa anaheshimiwa na watu. Awake tisaruti ga basigari bamurende tikamurante bona nandi munare ngomane bwa basigari. You want this girl, she was never shy. Ona tokoboliwa, can we produce such a girl, sort of voice of courage? Ntonyare anya mana baito mbali go tabatinyi none birogo byo kekanisa mbali go tabato bangere none birogo. Can we produce na kyo train chumwana skuru ke yayo kama ile skuru ya karene yale kwa mkono anyotiete asaga tiete baso, but he aga tirenka. What have you done? The nameless girl knew that the power of heaven was with Elisha now. Onyole kiago kora. What in this last day, in these last days, and when the technology is everywhere, digital time. Nonya alago toretero moisiki. Omoisika abantu bakomerera amata. No toretero omumura abantu bakomerera amata abantu banyasa. So in this case, omoisikoyo na amanyite who is Elisha. Lord, wacha niwaambia kwamba unajua hata watoto wetu hawajui hata district pastor wetu. Hata sasa hivi tumekuwa na pastor Ndege kutoka Chana mpaka leo amekuwa hapa, amekuwa kitangaza hapa, lakini wacha ulize watoto wako ya kwamba pastor wa district yetu ni nani, hawezi kukuambia. Ajui ngali anasimama hapa kila wakati. Lakini unaona huyu mtoto sasa alikuwa anajua nguvu ya Mungu ambayo ilikuwa kwa Elisha mtu wa Mungu. We have to be related with spiritual people. Na kitoka karato manyabara boli barabona banyana. Na kitoka karato manyatwa na towe biranga chi. The women, God was a smart girl. She believed that by this power Naaman could be healed. She became a very powerful doctor to Naaman. And what impresses us so much is that Naaman, as big as he was, he obeyed. Lakini yesterday we learned that tunafanya kazi pamoja. Communication, toko era ni wiya. What can we learn from this girl now? Tutasoma kitu gani kutoka kwa huyu msichana? Tuko na points sijui ngapi hivi kidogo ili tuone ni nini kitatusaidia. Point number 1 inasema ya kwamba the conduct of the captain made the way that she poured herself in the hidden home is a strong and witness for the power of early home training. Mambo yale alifundishwa zamani ndiye alienda akaanza kupractice katika familia hili. Na wewe unasema hakuna mtu ananiona, hakuna mtu ananiangalia, unaanza kupie njia nyingine, una dress style gete yogo kumia, lakini kwa ngoja sasa ino ora makta kono Nairobi omegete bintebe ngaye galime ona ko weka osenkeroka ko weka osemu iga inatumanya ukasa yo osembo songo wache nchi yangu ona ko ngoja ka no mwana ko gende ibu, lakini Yesu atupasanga. So gotogo tebuna ki train about child. That's 22:6 of Proverbs. Nakara kine ta kwebo. Gotogo tenga there is no higher trust than that. Oh, my to mane gene to mo boli mono. Gene tisa na ngina mono. So when you train your child, we can't add ko kubwa tsinjira chiri chiao. What ways do you train your baby? Egeri omwana enchira yobo kanyeku. Parents have to do with the very foundation of habit and the character. Habit chinaro chiriama togo tuara egeri omwana nechimbu chaye echakomanyana paka yesachi. There is a place we are going. Going to somewhere. Are you going? Is your son safe? Is your daughter safe? Mona agenda nere savali. So please, kare volia tonya gocha ano modikonesi uri nayo gutangana. Utari kwebo no bone ngango tinye abana babantu igibirugo cheka ya abana bana. Watoto wangu wako wapi? Na wewe chiulize. Watoto parents who tenderness and justice and long suffering interpret to the child. Ebintu biryogo kora mwana akoibera. Nyana umo kwani abantu anasalimia watu kwa ukarimu. asenjere ngorore kanye kwe eliogirire lile rahisi sana liororo. There's a time when I was just going to school. Kuna njia hapa nilikuwa napita kila wakati napita hiyo njia. Sasa kuna msichana alioleka hapo. It was now January. Aliingia December. By February unapopita chioni unasikia makelele. Sasa nikauliza, leo hii mbona boma hili kunalo mtu anapiga makelele? Eti huyu ni bibi wa fulani. Yaani mtu ameoleka achamaliza hata miezi 2 lakini ni kelele kwa miti ya watu. Train our children on how to behave and how to respect Jesus or God and how to keep the commandment of God. Ntuko atibia sara binesi ya wanawanya sana. Biasara tubwate ne byo musaraba. Biasara tubwate ne bya Yesu Kristo. Kali mangana we use a lot of money kusomia bana baitu. We use a lot of money kubaira school chingia, but when if Jesus is not in that child, it is quite useless. Like ntori analibaga ara timoka sinini program ile yao tebana umwana bwere tekora timoka ake ono mwana obunge school na ile no bwato mwalimu tuition mara yani konyo mwana bekereri assignment kagere utafanya biranya ale kwa morete ile omonto tuition omanya tuition yo mwana omubero omugima wano kyagala toyi ayo mutigene kanto muntigene tabo mwana oli bye kasi nyo konya wansomeli abana osomi bono omubero omugima mama esukuru yamanya koerera abo. Tell me the story of Jesus. Debi ayo mugano yu Yesu tonyomanye ngana kyale na tyole kabirenyo. And who by teaching the child to love and trust and obey. Mukweli umwana. Muno mwana ogwitabera. Muno kurangeri umwana, okumurangeri babayo. Omwana tumwana agenda tawaka. Wake angoli eli okutina munasi. Are you seeing now? Angoli eli na kiwane koro. Egento geri yani muno mwana agwitabira omulibali nabagwitabira na Nyasaye. Onolangire ti omwana akoerera esuri obora pinana na bomorote watigari kumane rwaje ku Yesuri nando kwa mutabye saboragere yani urwarete pi okwarwara ajabote oika tianzo me statement ye tianzo no semoyo. And who by teaching the child to love and trust and obey them and teaching their children to love and trust and obey his Father in heaven. Kiriyomo tebyo mwana enseye na kyago chikuiwera Nyasaye agoteba. So abayimoli, we are here, we treasure in our children for eternity. Tali ngo mwana chiko kenda America, chiko kora ki America ngitokora. We have America in heaven. Ene chigari teto mwana chiko kenda chigari chiriguru chindege chiriguru. Obo gimobu ya ebole in heaven, not in this earth. Tokonya train ya mana ebintu bire bigotigara. So in this case, we need to train our children. Banyore education ikobakonya batenene farm until when Jesus will come. The parents of that Hebrew maid, as they taught her of God, did not know the destiny that will be hers. Mama itemo mwana oyo nachiko korali imana. Nonya nayo ro omwisikoyo. Nonya nayo ali koboyo. Kwale konyole crown yanya ngoli kanya kwani. It is like Samani abisike bali konyomwa balenge fortunes. Tisa wadi tiari kunuma. Ekasike katika bero ufatini tibo akora bogasira. Lakini those days, those parents bali kwa mchisa wadi. Why? Ngiba dali kwa yo mwisike sawadi. Eba alikuwa omuiboli sababu mzazi ndiye amefanya huyu mtoto kuwa mzuri na kujilinda katika maisha. Wana banabanya sana. Enkeria yo musiria ni olia kero kene nabo yachete gaonjoka. Labda through what this God did, you never know what happened. You never know ni zawadi gani yule msichana alienda kapata. Sasa na wewe jiulize, mtoto wako kijana anapoenda mahali lera abana baitu bakonyoma abasiki bali chidini chinde chonse in fact mama watanya sikiete bwati moika our children atoiranĩria abana tosa Nyasaye atoiranĩria abana baitu Nyasaye atoiranĩria chisemi Nyasaye atoiranĩria even health ya abana baitu mugende masome igitabu gya Deuteronomy 3:23 kero muntu otaiweti nasiriwe na watananwa kurwegati y'abantu ekero tari koigwa igogosiriwa n'abana baitu go basirete nonya mbali gucyosirigo physically go basirete ekyagera twangire kuba train na kubegeria embwa ya Yesu Kristo twamanya sasa nyamarika machi